What's going on? Thanks for joining. Thank you, Busta. Appreciate it. This is nasty stuff. I got the wrong chart up. I got the wrong screen up. Alright, it's been a little while since I've streamed, so I'm like feeling a little rusty, but I'm gonna have some fun. I have the wrong chart up, so let's get out of this. Non-tradable symbol. I do want that up though, so we will have that up. That's gonna come over here, just so I have a nice clear focus. Big, yeah. So, welcome to my channel. WildBerries. Just gonna have some fun today. This is nastiness. Jackson Hole. I mean, you could say there's some fun in here. I think there's some fun, but I'm out. Like, let's have some fun in an eval now. I did my fun. I'm done with that. Jeez. Took a little drawdown. I was driving around. Yeah, Barry's gone wild for sure. I took a little drive and I had to take my wife somewhere, and I took a trade and I was like, oh, this is really good. I think I longed. It was right here, and I was just holding. I was like, oh wow, this is great. Actually, I don't know where the hell I longed. I probably longed here. And I thought I was doing great since we took out the high. I was like, oh, I can just let it hit my target. My target was like right up here, 720, and then it just whoosh. This candle was whoosh. That was fun. That was gone. It's crazy. So, I need to check the levels because I don't even know. I don't even know if these levels are good. Let me check these levels. Yeah, it's done.
Mom?
Yeah, it's done.
It's done. Quietly.
Issue. Sure.
Put some garlic powder on it. Hey.
Is there no sound?
I want you to put garlic on it.
Down.
Okay, give me a second. You got garlic?
All right. She's nasty. I'm having a little issue with this song. This is messed up. I just want to check the levels on a separate device. Oh my god, this thing is screwed up. It's messed up completely. Can't even check my list. I'm sorry, I don't want to make everyone deaf because I wanted to learn something and I did something. Like I did a thing to have some fun. So we're having a little. Hey! The levels aren't bad. Okay. Okay, the music sounds pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna do a sound effect real quick. I want to know if it comes through. It should be gentle. Nope. Nope. How about this one? Oh, it comes through very gently. Gentle. Alright. So I have to turn that up. But then the music's gonna come through loud. Alright, so I gotta turn the music down here. The music needs to be half. That down. The music down. Too far. Let's let that level out and see what I do. Oh my god. I'm losing my signal. It's just gone. It's gone. Wait a second. Uh-oh, I'm back. Okay, I apologize. I'm getting everything set up while I'm on the... Alright, let's try one more thing. Go back to my sounds. The anime wow. Let it come through. One, two, three. Come on. That sounds great. And mostly I wanted to have sound effects for just fun things. So like this is absolutely dying the video I'm watching. So cool. Sound effects board is good, but I can't hear anything. My stream looks like it died. Huh. I don't know. I don't know what's so bad. It's bad. Alright, so I'm just gonna do my thing today. Let's see if I can. Yeah. Love to see the daily or not yet. Yeah, I can see that. This is just this is gone. Alright, yeah, bye.
Now let's some of that.
Let me see what. You can have it.
Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah, I do. He's streaming.
Oh my god. I gotta close some stuff. I got some really bad. It's so super laggy. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, let's see if that helps. thank you for bearing with me for probably way too long. Alright, I'm full on ready. I have an eval loaded up. Price is 1. That's good. I like the 15 over here. I like the 5 over here. And I'm not going to be able to do nothing with that. She's gone. I have a cat at my feet. Fun. So, yeah. Price is gone.
Bruh.
Price is gone. Let's look at Bitcoin for a second. I have an options trade that ends today. I might be losing the option in a good way. I kind of want it to come down. I kind of want Bitcoin to come down a bit for the day, and then it can roll. Good. Oh, this sounded so great. I'm so glad I did that. Alright, let's look at our I am all out of plan. So this is the 4 hour. I don't want to see that right now. We've taken liquidity. What happens after we take liquidity? It can reverse. I don't know where it's gonna go. Like I'm gonna start putting civvies on my charter. Just like, okay. And this whole gap in the civvy right now. I lost track of chat. Yeah, I know. It's gone. Let's make this red. Let's make this red. These are 4 hour civvies. I mean, I know we're friendly. Friend would be like, I'm aiming for the top. Yeah, sure. Why don't you try and short this? That sounds like fun. Let's get my headphones. Wearing right. So I'm just gonna assume the sound is good. And if it's not, it's not. But we'll see. I have an eval loaded. And there's not a lot I can do. I can imagine shorting at the top of the city for like nothing. Literally nothing. Like, you want to cowboy some shit? That would probably been it, but how big is this? That's kind of big. That's because I'm in a 4 hour. Alright, I got lost in my own sauce here. So yeah. Happens when you're not like a professional streamer, like the people we get to see on the daily. So like, I got the wife upstairs, like working a real job. So like, if something needs to be done, like I got to do it. So I get little friends. I got to distract the cats. So I have all sorts of jobs to do right now. So we'll see. We'll see. Where's the fat one?
Meow.
You know. All right. I got the fat cat now. That's the one that's a problem. My wife has a problem with fat cat because she'll like interrupt a meeting. Yeah, I think so too. I think we out, man. Like I said that when I posted to my friends group. Like, if you want to hang out, we'll hang out. But like, there ain't no major W's going on right now. This is pure wow. So we just have some fun. I haven't even thought of a trade. I've thought of a trade up here above the civvy, but it sort of didn't make it. No, let's put the GAN box. It probably hit perfect on the GAN box. Yeah, top third of the civvy, and then retrace. That's like a little scallop. A little scallop. But I'm not good at scallops, so this is just screw around time. But yeah. I like a short. Not a big short. We're gonna drop this down. We're actually gonna do something just to do something. Alright, so we got a fair value gap forming that I don't really want to see. So we're gonna touch the fair value gap again. How many ticks is that? That's 40 ticks. Alright. Let's get this wick. So right here I want to short back down for 40 ticks. Alright, that was lousy. Alright, 60 ticks it is. This is a MFF eval I've received for a nice percentage off. They gave me an email promotion. I took it. And let's see if we can scalp 40 ticks in this. This is a lousy stop loss. We need to correct that. I'm gonna have a visitor, aren't I? Hello. Come on. Come on, baby. Ooh, that should have hit. 50 bucks. Come on. Don't make me be a dick for a tick. Thank you. Now I do expect it to close part of this fair value gap, but that is my first W of the day. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I have to adjust the soundboard to like just things I want to use. Like, there's a warning on a bunch of these, like, do not play these, like, pure ear destruction. So there's a lot of trust involved here with the stream today for me not to do anything stupid. So we're on the board, people. We have $40 on a brand new eval. We're on the board. Yeah, 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Can I borrow 50 bucks? So, can you imagine a long off the 5-minute fair value gap? Yes, I can. Let's delineate this, little boy. Let's delineate this 5-minute fair value gap. I have a fat one now. There you go. I'm going to think of a trade. Can you imagine it as an inversion or a buy off CE of this 5-minute fair value? Oh, actually, it's not a 5-minute. I screwed up. That's the 15. That's the 15 closing. So that isn't even anything. The 5 minutes, like right here. That's the 5-minute. So it's actually like this. That's the actual. So I could try a long here. So CE with fair value gap long. Put a sell stop there. How many ticks is that? Ooh, that's a large stop. I like big stops. Cannot lie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's coming for me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's coming for me. The demon is here to stop me out. She says, I'm coming for you, stops. She's really coming for the treats, so. I would like to hold this. It's one micro. I get to relax and just do my thing. So, Psycho Bear, you take off if you already start your weekend like right now. Like, I'm out, buddy. I get it though. I would too. I got kid at home. Ooh, 20 bucks is 40 ticks. Alright, I have an idea. We're in pure scalp mode here. Alright, pure scalp mode. I don't know what it's gonna do, but I know it's coming back up here. Probably up to here. Uh-oh. Yep, it's gonna make me add one time. Yes. Alright. It made me add. Still one up there. Uh-oh. Failure. Losing a trade just to play the fall is not cool, right? I still think it goes back up. I don't know. It's kind of nasty. What do you think, guys? Obviously, do not take any YouTubers' trades, ever. Do not be like, oh, this guy on YouTube knows what he's talking about. I'm going to let him influence my trades. Please don't do that. I don't care who it is. These people out here do not care. They are purely out here to sell evals and you to use the code and trade bad, trade every second of the day. And I'm guilty of it too, I guess. I guess I'm guilty of it too, because I have a code. And you know what? If you want it, NEXGEN, that's on you. You're ready, you do it. If you're not ready, don't do it. You don't want to use my code, don't. There are plenty of people out there. As long as you don't use the big players code, like the big streamers who really are just trying to push out everyone. They don't care. I'm kind of fed up with them. And I'm kind of fed up with the whole system a little bit. So what do you have here? You have a trader who studied price and wants to win and is hungry for the win. So that's what you're going to get with me. I have a lot of good friends out here. A lot of friends in the chat. I see them. Say goodbye, bust. I'm sure if my friends that were working, they'd be here too. I'm busy. I'm starting to like along. I do think it's pretty. We got a nice little. You have a nice little thing here. So I might take along. I want to pick a spot though. I don't want to just get long. All right, I'm planning on it. So what? Okay, so let's do super projection for this. So I think that's pretty cool. She ain't gonna do it now. One deviation term, that's pretty bullish. We should stay bullish. 1.5 deviations. That's pretty interesting. What do you think of this? What do you think about that? 1.5 deviations is half the wick of the 15-minute bullish candle. Makes a nice soup. 1.5 deviations, and then there is a fair value gap below on the 5-minute. I kind of like that. It seems like this is doing the heavy lifting right here, though. It's not letting it go past this. And that looks like 1.25 deviations, so it might not even do that. Absolutely insane. 33 views on the channel. I don't know what that means. I don't think that means I have 33 viewers. Certainly not. Maybe 33 people stop by and say, wow, hey, stream. That'd be cool. The 5 minutes gonna close. No, that was a good spot to get short. Alright. Yes. This was a good spot to get short. Consequent encroachment of this fair value gap on the 5-minute. I really hope I'm okay with this short. Because that was aggressive as hell. Alright. I apologize for the snap. I'm doing this thing, but it looks good. So I think we're coming here. I think that's more probable than up. So I'm just gonna hold this. Oh, it's kind of ugly. One more. Stop the same. It looks like I'm gonna get stopped. I just want to see. I don't want it to come up past that. I wanted to hold the CD of the fair value gap on the 5-minute right here. Let me put it on the chart so you know how I'm talking about. So I do this based on wanting the deviation of this 5-minute bearish order block to play out to at least 1.5 deviations. So I know I'm really in the weeds here, but that's what I see. And just to be careful, I'm going to take one off. So now we only have 2 micros. We took profit. Now this is really tight. Like this should be down here second. So I think it's coming there and then it's going to go back up. But we will see. So we will see some beauty in the charts. And we shall see a wick down, taking profit on 2 micros, and snap getting long on algorithmic price. Because that's how I see the charts. Very algorithmic. It's not rigged at all. Come on, baby. Does everyone know what I'm doing? This should go be, I want it to hold. I don't want it to fly through this. I want it to hold 1.5 deviations. I know I'm crazy. Like, full on crazy. Let's go. Come on. Damn it. Come on. We lost. We tried. Come on. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Do the wiggle and dump. Oh shoot, it's 15-minute close like that. I might be cooked. This is going back up. Alright, we are borderline risky as hell here with this trade. Do not recommend. Strongly this is total nonsense what I'm doing right now. But we have a volume imbalance in the 5-minute. Ooh, that pretty little girl wants to get filled. Right there. Come on. Come on. I don't have a good one for that. That was just rude. Hello. What do you think? Is Daddy cooked? Daddy's cooked. Oh no. Holy shit. I think I'm cooked a little bit, but this 15 minutes like screaming at me like, you're an idiot. I should have took it off at 1 deviation or half a deviation. We'll let it play. Whatever happens, happens. It shouldn't come up here. That's it. That's all there is to it. Oh, it's coming right for me. Bam. It came for me. It's gonna run away now. Like, fine. Yeah. Top tick stop out. How do you like that shit? You can't make this up, man. 69. That's beautiful. Right to target, baby. Bam. That is the 1-2 punch of NQ. That is the bam, bam. Screw you. Oh, come on. I would be disappointed if you didn't rub my face in it and go right here. I would be disappointed. Come on. Top tick stop out. Run the target. I'm trying to be too perfect. Stop above the fair value gap. Oh, you know what? That's my own damn fault. Look at this. It's my own damn fault. Look at this. This Should have been there. That's a volume imbalance, buddy. Ugh, my own fault. It's my own fault. Alright, come on. Right to target. Right there. Actually, right here. But who's perfect? Alright. Well, we know where it's going, right? It's going to sell side still. Whatever. Well, I am a gay bear, and I think price is going down for the moment. That was a test. I want to see if segments are still 8, 9, and log. Pull that up. Yeah. That baby. 8, 9, and log. Yeah. Yeah. That's a good target. That's a good target, Buster. Run right into this old London low. And then turn. I like that a lot. Probably a good spot. Alright, so let's get a close on 5 minutes so I actually have something to play. Long. Since we fulfilled the obligations of one deviation where bullish is held, 15-minute did not close below. Targets are met on this bearish 5-minute order block. We should be looking for longs. We should have suited this. But I tried to get sneaky and tricky and all out. And we're down 20 bucks. So let's put it on the chart. I want an order right there. I got a city right there. Please don't take the high. Please don't take this high yet. Now you've done the perfect round. Trade down, trade down, trade down, trade down, trade down, trade down. Come on. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 5. And please turn green. Good job. I'm projecting a inversion. Now you can take this high. Push right through it. That's right. Precisely. Please close above this inversion. Thank you. That's what I want to see. Alright, that looks pretty. Now, you don't want to be all like perfect. Let's take it off right before the gap. Because I don't, well, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I think we're gonna have trouble with this end dog here. So I think we're gonna push up to the end dog, and then we're going to trade down more. And this is going to get choppy and flag out here, and then proceed to targets later today. I don't think we're going to target now. Matter of fact, low-hanging fruit on this. Low-hanging fruit on this is 794. So let's just mark it. Taking one off. We'll be good little traders. To the bearish candle. I don't think it's going to take this high yet. I think it's going to do the same thing. it's going to try and look bearish. So if it's going to try and look bearish and flag out and then take it later, because look, this isn't flying. This might have been. Actually, let's be honest here. That might have been it. It might have been it. It shouldn't be, but it might have been. The 938, the 893. Yeah, that's not quite right. It's like half a candle. So yeah, the 893. And we're gonna just be. Do we want to protect? Do we have any reason to think it's going to be bearish now? Yeah, it's possible. But I don't need to protect it. It's like 2 micros. Don't over leverage people. But what do I want to do? Yeah, you know what? I'm going to be a cowboy and just take it off there. And then we'll get into another trade because I'm scalp happy. Oop, come on. It's moving. Come on. All right. Bummer. What do I want to see here? This is a little concerning here, but this is not really doing the thing. A little concerning. A little concerning. Yeah, come on. 17 seconds. I don't think it's gonna make it appear. 73 ticks. I don't think so. This is gonna be a 3 candle, which is not surprising because they're a little bit over. What's the retail word? They're a bit overextended. Overextended. Penny short. Go ahead and short this, but your stop way up here. Where I think it's going. Yeah, definitely put your stop up here, for sure. Don't do that. Don't do that, please. Not financial advice. Or something or other. Alright. Music by Off-Mir. And I don't see him in the chat, but make some badass music. Very, very good streaming music. Difficult to stream. I'm talking to myself. Come on. Make it on up there. Give the people targets, please. I promise to target. Oh no. I lost camera. Oh no. Now this is where the stream goes to hell. This is why I need to get my own dedicated camera. Like, I like how I do this, but apologies for being right in your face. That's just how I do it. streaming to, actually I put a video on how I do that, so that's one of the problems with the way I do it though. This phone times out and then it loses connection. So we are in the chop, and I don't like it. The lunch chop is starting. We have a hopefully 3 candle order block to continuation to the upside, but nothing is guaranteed. If you want to take profits, that's on you. Please make your best decision you can in the charts. I would like to see another up close candle here. If we get a down close candle, the party is over. Most likely. Could be a little bit of a thing, but likely. It certainly isn't high probability if we don't get an up close candle. But I would like to take profit on this candle pushing up into this. And I might force it, I don't know. I don't really care. It's kind of nasty. This is lunch chop time. Let's see if a friend wants to be streaming. Double check. Anyone streaming today? And yeah, I don't know. I definitely can see this stopping me out. Like, this is getting high probability for a stop out. Let me check something. Oh man, kind of hit 2 deviations already. But higher time frame should take over. It really should. Like, I don't want to see this here. It's getting ugly. This is gonna be like a fractal of this. Yeah, that makes more sense, I guess. Ew, gross. Alright. This is your chance to get out. Right here, break even. I would close. I'm feeling a close in my future. I don't know. I think it's gonna take this. So I'm gonna make the snap decision to close right around here and just let it be. I don't know if it's going up here, and I don't know if it's going down here. So we do not have any high probability for anything. We're just out. Peace out. It's not my thing. I was cowboying, trying to get this. It gave me something. I didn't take it, and I wanted something specific. Didn't happen. Still may happen, but it's lunch chop, and if you're a good trader and you learn to spot this, you lose interest in price action. So, what shall we look at? Ooh, BTC is doing what I want to see. Good, nice step. I would like to see it run out. No, it's not gonna run out this candle. It's gonna do something. Something like that. And then come down here to 78. I mean, if I'm lucky. So I can fuss with my BTC trade in about 25 minutes. I don't know. But yeah, as far as the trading today, completely nasty chop. My advice would be come back an hour before power hour, set up a trade idea, and then attack. That would be best advice. Premium advice, but I didn't take it. What do we got here? I can imagine that. This is the 4 hour though. Oh my god. 1 hour is where I want to be on BTC. 4 hour and 1 hour. That might have been it. 78.5 might have been your low. This might be your low for Friday. This is insane. This whole run is insane, man. Look at this. This is just beautiful. Just beautiful. Having a fight with my brother about what BTC is going to do and how I should trade this. So it's kind of frustrating because he told me to do something I disagreed with. I did it anyway. And I was right. So that's where I'm at. Took profit way too early. But I get to do what he does now, which is roll my option. And the way I'd roll my option is I bring the time in. So like my option expires here. So, and I'm guaranteeing price all the way down here. So I'm saying I want price to go below here. And if not, I'll sell you to you here, 38.50. And for that option, they pay enough that if I lose the option, it's like I sold it for $40.50. Everything. But there's $4.50 of premium I'm missing out on by doing this. So what can I do? So now I say, okay, I'll guarantee the price at 42. And I will sell it to you at 42 before, let's say November. So go out to November. And then I say, okay, what would you pay if I sold it to you in November? And they say, oh, well, if you're going to guarantee the price at 42 till November, we're going to pay you another $1 share. So I put that $1 in my pocket, and I get to keep my shares, hold on to them. And then if we get to November and we're still going up, I have then sold for 42 rather than selling for 38 plus the premium. So if this keeps going, I get to pocket more money. That makes sense? Yeah, I can imagine making short. Oh my god. I was wrong. I was very wrong about lunch chop. Wow. Wow, I was wrong about the lunch chop entirely. That deserves a... Yeah. Alright, 15-minute setup. Longness somewhere in here. Big wick in your face, please. Big wick. Come through here. Big wick. It's either coming to this one or it's coming to this one. I would guess it's more likely just to come here. That would be my guess. What do you think, Mario? Thanks, Mario. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's a nice short. If you take profit, I mean, it depends on how conservative you're gonna be. I don't think we're gonna close anywhere down here. So you're in chop. So if I don't think it's gonna close down there in 1 hour, I think that's highly likely to long it down here. Nice little soup. Alright, so that's CE of this wick. And then there's CE of this wick if I think it's gonna go push through. Likely down here. Likely. I like this more than I like this. This is Cowboys hell. I don't think that's great at all. What time is it? 11:42? We gotta keep Mario awake. What can we do? I have a mission. I have a mission. Keep Mario awake. So I have to entertain him. We shall see. Mario, long or short? Mario, long or short? Do push-ups. No. Nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see an old man on the ground doing push-ups. Nobody. You don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. I wouldn't tune in for that. Get off here to do push-ups. He's like squeaky muscles, and he could do that. I got some weight on my belly. You can't do no push-ups, especially on camera. Do push-ups. I'm gonna need a stream dono. I'm kidding. Yeah, I think so. That's a good point. It's got to chop out somewhere. Closing the 15-minute right here. I like shorting further down. Just continuation of this move down into here. So push up, please, so we can get short. No. Stay down at 2 micros, please. This is a 25K account. Do not over leverage an itty bitty 25K account. Alright, push. Where do I want to see it push up to? I think that would be great. It's not going to go just do that, is it? It might just do that and go. I like this a lot. This makes me feel really good about coming down here. Really good. $280 ticks. I think that's pretty good. I just need a little pop. That's all I want. 6. I just want to close books. 29,690. What would that give us? I didn't promise to be entertaining. I'm a trader. It's not about being entertaining. This is about making money. Making a little bit of money. that demon when he says that. It's funny. I don't really listen to him. I watch him for like all of 20 seconds. Because I think the whole contract video on the streams. Move. Come on. Alright. I think it stopped moving. Alright. This is funny. Quick jump in. Well, I know where it's going. Just didn't know how it's gonna get there. Well, if you're just gonna run to my target, I will long you. Right? If you're just gonna run to where I want you to go, I'm just gonna long you. And that's that. Like, fine. That's a nice entry, right, guys? Alright, since I'm over leveraged, please just take this right now. No? You son of a bitch. That was supposed to close that. Come on. You know what, we're gonna just be really, really conservative and just take that and go. No, I don't want that. I want it to go up. Just take my first target and then I don't have to think about it. Come on. I'm not asking for too much. Like, bounce. Alright, my greed is showing. My greed is showing really heavy right now, isn't it? Alright. Bing. Come on. Bounce. Bounce really freaking hard, please. Come on. Take my first target. 95. Are you serious? How many ticks did I try and go for here? 80. 80 is too many, huh? Oof. Alright, this is a mistake. I could tell right away. Alright, exit's the only plan now. Our plan went from winning to please let me out of this. Alright. Alright, that is my greed. My greed has come through in full shining colors. I said no. Nah, that's terrible. Alright, that's a big L. I did not intend for that to go quite that badly. That's impressive. That's very impressive. Wow. Wow. BTC, baby. BTC's dumping really hard too. Wow. Alright, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the stream. That's about all I got for you today. I'm just having fun. That's the end of the stream. Hang out for a sec if you want to hear about offers and whatnot. Definitely check out NEXGEN. They have a good product, good prop firm. I recommend them. And if you're gonna try them, good for you. Use code WILD. Sign up with my link. My link should be downstairs, right below me. Perfect timing. Gotta go anyway. But yeah, if you're willing to try them, don't sign up with the big streamers. Try a small time creator like me or any of my other good friends. Endless Bull Run, Offnear, they both have great channels. They have codes too. If you use my code or their code, I'm a happy guy. As long as it's not the bigger players in the field who are scooping up everything, trying to scoop up everything. So, I'm happy with whatever you want to do. That's about it for me. Peace. Have a great day, guys.